Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to log out from your Shein account right from the app. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you've already downloaded the app. Find the Shein app on your device and open it. So this is the home page of the app. So in order to go to the account page, you will have to go to the bottom right corner of your screen that says Me. Tap on Me. Next up, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll to the bottom and here you can see the option Sign Out. So tap on it to log out from your account. Confirm for it. If you want to save your login email and password for the next time, you can do so. And there you go, you've successfully logged out from your account in the Shein app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.